Hello friends, today I'm busy with this front loader, the washing machine. This front loader washing machine is a Hisense. The problem, the door doesn't want to close, and the second thing is a drum. So when the customer washing or spinning the laundry, it's making a lot of noise and then doesn't wanna spin. And the third one, when it's black, the washing machine is stripping. Now I open the back panel and also a top panel. As you can see now, as you can see at the back, the problem it's a bearings. So I have to open it and then take out these stones on top and also the stone in front, so that I can manage to take out the tap. Now as you can see, I open the front panel so that I can get take out this front stone, because they are also heavy. That's why this machine is very heavy. And now the problem I found at the back, that's why it was stripping, because the wires are bent. So I'm going to also replace the connection at the back. Now I managed to take out the tap out, so I can access to the bearings and to the drum. Now I managed to take out, and then I have to take this out. It was also hard to take it out. It wasn't easy because it is too much dirt and the rust. Because as you can see, I tried to pull it out. This can't pull it out because it's dirty, and also too much rust on the bearing, inside the bearing. Will take my half day, and this customer drove 1.5 hours to come to me because he tried someone else before. Now I'm gonna use the Q20 to marinate it so that it can be easier to check out the drum, then change the bearing. Now I managed to take out the bearing. As you can see, this drum is rusty, and the Q20 did help me. As you can see, also inside the tap and the bearings, as you can see, the bearing are dead, so they need to be changed with the new ones. Now I managed to take out the bearings. It was a difficult job. I don't like to fix these machines. It's because there's a lot of job on it, and I used the things that I used to take out the bearings. And then now I'm gonna clean it to install the new bearings. As you can see, it's rust. And then now I clean it with the hot water so that I can install the new one. There is a new bearing, small and big, and also the rubber. So I changed everything. Now I installed the new bearings, front and also at the back. Now the bearing and the rubber are fine. This is the old rubber, this one is a new one. That's why that I'm going to install it here in front. And also I saw the hole there, so I'm going to close it, that hole, so that the wood cannot come out and then start stripping again the machine. I'm gonna use this to close the holes at the back. Now I'm going to clean this. As you can see now, it's also rusted, but I cannot put it like that. Now I'm done. As you can see, I'm gonna test the washing machine. The thing that I've changed is the door switch and also the bearings. Now I'm gonna switch on the washing machine and test it, and the customer now is happy that his washing machine now is fine, because he did try some of the technicians that just came and then they leave. They told him he must change their bearings, but he don't know how to change the bearings. So I managed to. So now we drove from all the way from his place to my place, so I can fix his washing machine. Now as you can see, the washing machine is fine, and then I also installed the new connection at the back where the was bent, the wires that was bent. Now we see the washing machine is turning. Now I'm waiting for it to spin. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Don't forget to comment and follow me. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.